Fragrance making your body wash cloudy or watery? I'll show you the trick that actually works, no polysorbate needed, because we don't like her. Hi, my name is Chris, and making cosmetics is my favorite hobby. If you like making things or you're just getting started, hit the subscribe button and I'll show you how step by step. We're going to start with phase A, which is just distilled water and glycerin. Glycerin is going to help add hydration to our skin. Just combine the two and just mix them together. I'm gonna use a whisk to mix everything together here. Next, we'll move on to phase B, which is our surfactant phase, and this is what's actually going to clean our skin. Okay, in a separate container, you're just going to combine the fragrance oil and the caprylyl glucoside together. The caprylyl glucoside is going to act as our solubilizer, and that just means it helps the fragrance disperse into the water so it doesn't separate, because the water and oil, they don't mix. So add the oil to the glucoside and just mix it until it turns a pale yellow. Once that's all mixed, you're just going to add it to phase A and you're just going to gently stir it with the whisk. From here, just add the Aos40, which is our main cleansing agent, and the cocoa butane, which is going to boost the foam in the formula. Just gently whisk everything together. Now onto phase C. We're going to combine the propylene glycol and the Cat 5, which is our broad spectrum preservative. This is going to help solubilize the preservative so it spreads evenly throughout the formula. You're going to want to mix the two really well, just so the preservative doesn't separate and come out of the formula. Now you just add your preservative to the water phase and just mix it really well. Next, add your citric acid powder. This is going to lower the pH. Body washes generally have a pH of a 5 to a 5.5, so that's what we're going to aim for. Lastly, add the glutamate LT. This will thicken our body wash and it's going to give it a nice smooth texture. Once the body wash is the consistency you like, you can just go ahead and cover it and let it sit for like 5 to 8 hours. You can wait till the next day like I usually do, and it should look like this. Now I'm just going to check the pH, and it should come out to like a 5.3. Now just put it in whatever packaging you have at the time and you should be good to go. Just showing you guys the viscosity. It's a good viscosity to pour out, but if you want to make it thicker, you can just add a little bit more of the glutamate LT. And that's it, a simple body wash without using polysorbate. If you want to learn more, you can visit my blog, which is listed in the description below. It has written instructions and substitutions. Thanks for watching. Bye.